Om. Om. Welcome to Bali. Vinod from Solar Powered Humans, California. We are at a wonderful place called Moksha here, near Monkey Forest in New Guinea. So today we are going to share something very wonderful, precious, which will help you in the dark to retreat to achieve the target of our samadhi through the Buddha Jesus light of rainbow. And for this dark to make this venture successful in Florida, I am from Solar Powered Humans, California. These days we welcome you to the dark treat at Florida. And we are strictly following the lineage of Mahatma Buddha, Bonpo dark retreat, and its hard drops of Dharmakaya. Dharma, it's a definition, it's a word from Sanskrit, means about your God, spiritualism. This is the definition of Dharma. So today we'll be sharing how to go Breatharian in the dark retreat, and all the mythologies, right from your Zen, it is Chinese or especially Hindu, Ashtanga Yoga. We are following Ashtanga Yoga for Shat Karmas, means to cleansing the body, to clean the body. So to get rid of all the toxicants, to become crystal-like clear, so that the light, the divine light, without any interference, it comes into us. So here we go. See now what we'll be sharing, how to go Breatharian with special kind of pranayamas. And the one thing I would like to tell you, we have so many, yoga tigers in your Solar Powered Humans. We'll be teaching you, we'll be practicing Noli, which is mandatory in yoga. So here we go. Let's start from the Noli Kriya. You see, simple exhalation. This is mandatory in yoga. Like complete exhalation. Complete exhalation, exhalation. You can look at my stomach like this, complete exhalation. Then use the hand for liver. So, this Noli, every morning, you have to practice it, and yogis do it for 108 times. 2.5 right, 2.5 left. So, today we'll go in nutshell. During dark retreat, we have 24 hours for our meditation. And see, here, the concept of asanas. For meditation, we'll be discussing in details according to from person to person. One who can perform lotus posture, well and good. Others Siddhasana. So now I'll demonstrate you this lotus posture here. Like facing the east. Now sun is rising here. I'm facing towards the sun. You can face even north. The best direction is northeast. So now today this is your Padmasana. On Padmasana, now we'll discuss how to remain food free during your dark retreat. I'll be coming closer to you so that you don't miss the technical points. You can sit any comfortable posture. We call it Sukha Asana. Sukha means comfort. In Hindi, here. So, or you can sit any, the only purpose is your spine must be straight, yeah, no movements to the limbs, and from here you have to loosen the body. Now I am going to share you the most precious thing during your dark retreat. Keep following my videos. These videos are specially meant for your Bonpo dark retreat. Hard drops of Dharmakaya to reach during just 10 days to perceive the Samadhi through the Christ Buddha light, rainbow body. So now here for that, to make it a success, we need pure body. Again I repeat, to make it like a crystal, so the energies, the light, will easily comes into us. So here I go. We have to do, we call it Palavani. So it's very technical pranayama. It will be serving many purposes. First, it will be doing your cleansing. All your toxicant will be released from your body. How? I'll be showing it now. I'll be demonstrating. And how to, control your hunger. You can remain without food, even without water. As I had been to the jungles for 12 years, no food. It's no exaggeration, just to imbibe confidence in you. I'm just telling you now. The purpose is to how? So in the dark retreat, what we have to do, empty stomach early in the morning, you have to gulp down the air. This is called Palavani Pranayam. The authentication is from the Ashtanga Yoga, Hatha Yoga Pradipika, Brahmanda Puran. What we do is we gulp the air through your food pipe. It comes to your stomach. Then slowly it goes to your small intestine, large intestine, and ultimately it passes through farting, cleaning the whole body. And now here, if you can hold, I'll be demonstrating you like this, and if you hold the air in your stomach, it works as your food. In Hindu mythology, he is called Baba Balaknath. Pavanahari, Pavan means air, Har means food. He was throughout life on the air. So it's no exaggeration, you'll be experiencing it within the very first day you will be experiencing. And the body will be very energetic, even while remaining breatharian. So here I go. Simple, it's a trick. Like children, it's a play. The only thing is you have to have the grip on the trick. As you drink water, see, now I'm breathing. The air is going to the lungs. Now what we have to do is, as I drink water, see, I'm doing now. I start now. I take the camera closer so that this very thing. See now, you see the sound even. See, yes, sound. Now the air, as I'm drinking or eating food, we are gulping down food. The air is being gulped down, and through the wind, my food pipe, it's going to the stomach. So now it has come to my stomach. So here, in the initial stage, for the novice, they'll feel like burping. So you have to control it. Just within minutes you will be doing it. Now see, keep watching me. Now again I am gulping. Yeah, with the willpower, you have to control the air so that you don't burp out. And another thing, this will give you control on your Vishuddhi Chakra also. Again I am gulping down. Wonderful. Now the stomach has come to the air has come to the stomach. From here the digestion process starts. Our intestine starts taking nutrients from the air. It's something miraculous, you know. It happens. So now see, I have taken the air. Those who will be practicing it now, you can join me. Those who are empty stomach. When you start with, you should be empty stomach. So when you have achieved, practice some heights, you can do it even after having your light food also. But in dark retreat, what we are striving to go breatharian. See now, again I try to gulp down. Now I feel like burping. burped it out, it will happen to you also. When you will be taking the air, eating the air, you will feel like burping. If you burp out, never mind, this is cleansing. All your toxicants are being released from your body. See how wonderful it is. Yeah. Now I am burping because I have to show you. And now if the air, if you control it with your willpower, now it will start going through your stomach to small intestine, then to large intestine, through the rectum, through farting. It will be releasing. So this also will clean the whole system. Like Shank Prakshalana, Shank Conch, we put water like this. This is something like that. It is the whole air is cleansing your all the toxicants, and you even at the same you are getting the needed things for body. Here now again practice. Now I won't burp out. You have to do the same to remain breatharian. Now I'll burp out and have to control it. See. Yeah. Yeah, the air is going to the stomach. Only if you take this kind of, you can call it sip, 10, it will come to your stomach, and now try to hold it. In the initial stage, only take 5-6 times gulp down. So slowly it will be going to your small intestine. Then the willpower. Then you start enjoying. From here, now if I have gulped down the air, as long as the air is in my stomach, I won't feel any appetite. I won't have any appetite. This is how we have to fight with the pangs of hunger. So then you can meditate in this posture. So now if after taking this 5-10 times, now I feel the air has started going to the intestine now. Again you gulp down. It's wonderful. It's going now. Now the only trick is little willpower. With your brains. This will give you your perception of your prana also. Here I take you to the point. Whatever we are doing in this world, even this whole celestial system, rotation of the earth, the brightness of the sun, all the energies, our thought process, this is all called regulated by the prana power. This is prana. Sometimes we are confused prana with the breath. Breath is not pranayama. This is not pran, but the power behind this, which is regulating all this. Even the circulation of the earth, everything, right from your heart beating, blood circulation. These are 5 pranas now. I'll take you to the this thing, dark retreat. The main purpose, pran, apan, saman, udan, vyan. These are the 5 pranas, different pranas governing different functions of the body. For example, upper portion, this is prana. Apana is regulating your below the navel circle. Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipurak, these are all the centers of power for procreation. So these are like this. This is a big science, but today in a nutshell, for Bonport Dark Retreat, Florida. So we are giving these special techniques to make it a success within 10 days. This is the, this is the Kriya which will make you breatharian. And after 10 days, when you come after a dark retreat, experiencing, perceiving, you will be a different personality. You will be a transformed personality within a week. And the very first day you will have starting these perceptions. When you are able to control your appetite, nothing like this. Then you can think in the long period, in the coming, if you are really interested in getting to the Samadhi, merging in the Lord, going breatharian, you can remain on this simply breatharian. And especially now when we are going for dark retreat or advanced yoga meditation, this is the Kriya. Now I don't feel like burping now. The process of digestion has started. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I'll be putting videos, short videos. This was your Plavani. You have to follow very strictly. If it is your dark treat, Lord Buddha is a boon to the humanity. We have to follow the lineage. Like this, the hard drops of Dharmakaya. Go through the book. We are strictly following that. And this is your Shatkama. Even in the yogis, in the caves, I had been to caves and jungles. I am just giving you my introduction just to imbibe again to confidence in you. Before you practice any yoga, you have to see, as you go for your medical, what kind of doctor he is. If he's a heart specialist or a quack, it's a must, So like this, we, the solar powered humans, Florida, you will be under the guidance of the cave yogis, the jungle yogis, and I am also one of them. And your yoga tigers, you will see the masters of Vajrayana, Khechari. You can go ageless. So, like this, it was my message today. As I'm sitting comfortably on Padmasana, keep on following me for these, to reach the Samadhi through the Christ, Buddha Christ rainbow light, the gateway to your Samadhi. So it's all for the day. Thank you for watching me. And the next video will be following you with this Plavani Kriya, how to float on water. Now I have put some videos to how to be in headstand, okay, for us together, then to meditate on the water surface. Now air has come to my stomach. If I go to the pool, if I go to any river, I'll be floating. Archimedes principle in short. You can turn over the pages of Archimedes principle. The body floats. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Once again I salute my tigers, yoga tigers, especially American. They want to live in anonymity. This is the beauty of the service they are doing to the humanity. Most welcome, most welcome, most welcome. My lineage, Devraha Baba, Shri Yudhishthir Prasad Tripathi, who met me in 1972 on the banks of Narmada River, Om Narmade Har, I prostrate in their feet. I prostrate in the lotus feet, Om Namah Shivaya. Thanks for listening to me. Keep following me. Every day I'll be putting very short videos. This was your Plavani. Next to how to meditate, your cleansing exercises, different pranayamas. It's all for the day. Thanks a lot. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.